Madagascar is the fourth largest island in the world. The island has been isolated for millions of years, leading to a high level of endemism. Madagascar has a diverse range of ecosystems, from rainforests to deserts. There are over 100 species of lemurs in Madagascar. Lemurs are only found in Madagascar and are considered one of the island's most iconic species. The island is home to unique wildlife such as the fossa, Madagascar's largest predator. Madagascar is known for its stunning baobab trees, some of which are over 1,000 years old. The country has a rich cultural heritage, with influences from Africa, Asia, and Europe. The Malagasy people have a unique language and customs that set them apart from other African cultures. Madagascar was colonized by the French in the 19th century and gained independence in 1960. The country has a developing economy based on agriculture, mining, and tourism. Vanilla is one of Madagascar's main exports, and the country is the world's leading producer. The island is also known for its precious gemstones, including sapphires and tourmalines. Madagascar is a popular destination for ecotourism, with its diverse landscapes and wildlife. The island has several national parks and reserves, such as Ranomafana and Ndasabimentadia. Madagascar is known for its unique flora, including the iconic Ravenala, or traveler's pond. The island has a tropical climate with distinct wet and dry seasons. Cyclones are a common natural disaster in Madagascar, causing widespread damage. The country has a rich tradition of music and dance, with styles such as Salaji and Hiragasi. Malagasy cuisine includes dishes such as ramazava, a meat and vegetable stew, and rabitoto, a pork and cassava dish. Madagascar is one of the poorest countries in the world, with high levels of poverty and malnutrition. The country has a high rate of deforestation due to slash-and-burn agriculture and illegal logging. Conservation efforts are underway to protect Madagascar's unique biodiversity, including reforestation projects and ecotourism initiatives. The island is also known for its stunning coral reefs and marine biodiversity. The Tsini de Bemaraha National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its razor-sharp limestone formations. Madagascar has a high level of linguistic diversity, with over 18 different dialects spoken throughout the country. The Avenue of the Baobabs is a famous group of ancient baobab trees that line a dirt road near Morondava. Madagascar has a growing film industry, with movies such as Madagascar and Island of Lemurs, Madagascar, bringing attention to the island's unique wildlife. The country has a rich tradition of storytelling, with oral histories passed down through generations. Madagascar is home to the Ai, a bizarre-looking nocturnal lemur with a specialized finger for extracting insects from tree bark. The island is a hotspot for birdwatching, with over 260 species of birds, including the colorful red photy. The Malagasy people are known for their craftsmanship, with traditional arts such as woodcarving and weaving thriving in rural communities. Madagascar has a strong tradition of ancestor worship, with ceremonies such as Famadihana honoring the deceased. The country has a unique burial tradition called turning of the bones, where the remains of ancestors are exhumed and rewrapped in fresh burial cloths. The Ranomafana National Park is home to the golden bamboo lemur, a critically endangered species. Madagascar is a biodiversity hotspot, with over 90% of its plant and animal species found nowhere else on Earth. The island has a high rate of infant mortality, with limited access to healthcare in rural areas. Madagascar is one of the world's leading producers of ylang-ylang, a fragrant essential oil used in perfumes. The country is also known for its colorful markets, where vendors sell fresh produce, spices, and handicrafts. Madagascar has a growing ecotourism industry, with visitors flocking to see the island's unique wildlife and landscapes. The Antananarivo Zoo is home to a variety of Madagascar's native species, including lemurs, chameleons, and tortoises. The island has a rich tradition of handwoven textiles, with colorful textiles such as lamba and raffia hats popular among locals and tourists. Madagascar is a melting pot of cultures, with influences from Africa, Asia, and Europe shaping the country's unique identity. The Massaoula National Park is one of Madagascar's most biodiverse regions, with rainforests, beaches, and coral reefs. The Sifaka lemurs are known for their striking white fur and unique way of moving, known as dancing. The Malagasy people have a strong tradition of dance and music, with styles such as salaji and sapaki popular throughout the island. Madagascar is one of the world's top vanilla producers, with the island's bourbon vanilla prized for its quality and flavor. The country has a rich tradition of herbal medicine, with plants such as artemisia and ravinsara used for their healing properties. Madagascar has a diverse range of religions, with Christianity, Islam, and traditional Malagasy beliefs coexisting peacefully. The Beza Mahafali Reserve is home to several species of lemurs, including the ring-tailed lemur and Barrow's sifaka. The Malagasy people are known for their warm hospitality and strong sense of community. The Zombitsboabasia National Park is known for its unique spiny forest ecosystem and rare bird species. Madagascar has a rich tradition of storytelling, with epic tales such as the Fadi passed down through generations. The country has a high rate of childhood malnutrition, with over half of children under the age of 5 suffering from stunted growth. Madagascar is a popular destination for birdwatching, with over 300 species of birds, including the rare Madagascar fish eagle. The Makai Massif is a remote region in southwestern Madagascar that is home to unique wildlife and landscapes. The Malagasy people have a strong connection to nature, with traditional beliefs and rituals centered around the natural world.